Today, we are going to start a video series on high-frequency verbs in Arabic. We believe that verbs are like the trunk of the tree when you start learning a new language. You then learn nouns and adjectives around those verbs dependent on what's important for situations and contexts, like the branch and the leaves of a tree. At Storyinteracters, we use stories to grow our language tree. We also use gestures to help our retention. It really works, so do learn the gestures too. We call this putting the words in our body. We tend to learn our verbs in the imperative form, instruction form, as it is usually the shortest form of the verb, a little bit like the root of it. This will help identify the meaning quicker. Once familiar with verbs, in Arabic, you only have to add suffixes and prefixes to conjugate them. Let's jump straight into it. This is my AI emoji, Nemo, who I teach languages to. Ready, Nemo? Or shall I say, Jahiz?
Jahiz!
Yalla. Our first frequency verb is bring, jeeb. You're bringing a tray of stuff. Stepping forward engages more brain cells. Jeeb, jeeb,
Jeeb, jeeb.
high frequency verb number 2, can. If you can do something, you have the muscles for it. So say it with me. E'eder, e'eder.
E'eder, e'eder.
High frequency verb number 3, come. Easy, just signal to come. Easy. Remember, doing gestures helps retention. Easy, easy.
Easy, easy.
High frequency verb number 4, give. Ati. The number 3 symbolizes letter Ain, so typical of Arabic language. If you can't pronounce it down in the throat, just do a long A at the back of the mouth. Note that the T is strong as well. Ask a dog to give you the ball. Ati, ati.
Ati, ati.
High frequency verb number 5, go. rooH. Add an emotion for further retention. You really want someone to get out of your face. rooH, rooH.
rooH, rooH.
High frequency verb 6 is not in the imperative form, but means I have. Andi. You have it in your hand. The E signal that it is I who has. Andi is what we're going to call a semi-verb. It kind of functions like a noun. But remember, the meaning for now, I have. Andi, Andi.
Andi, andi.
High frequency verb 7, listen or hear.
اسمع,
2 hands to the ears.
اسمع, اسمع.
اسمع اسمع.
High frequency verb 8, take.
آخذ,
Use 2 hands, bring them to yourself.
آخذ, آخذ.
This is not strictly imperative form,
خذ,
but it is good to know that I will use the form
آخذ.
when I will conjugate the verb.
أخذ أخذ.
High frequency verb 9, know. عارف. Know the ayn sound again. Don't worry if you can't do it just yet. Again, do a long R at the back of the mouth if you can't do it in the throat. Point to the head. عارف. عارف.
عارف, عارف.
High frequency verb 10, say. Ul. In other dialects, you might hear qul or gul. In Levantine, we drop the first consonant and we say ul. Open your hand once, as this will mean talk or speak in the future. Again, ul, ul.
قل, قل.